Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. What's goody, what's poppin'? So as you guys can tell from the title of the video, I'm going to show you how to wrap your hair, because not a lot of people know how to wrap their hair, sis, and I want to show you how to do it. Okay, so I am taking down my curls. I have a video on this already, so I'll link it somewhere up above, so check it out. I got my curls popping, it's looking good, and now we're getting ready for bed and we're ready to wrap this hair. So what we're going to be doing is combing the hair all the way to the front, not all the way to the front, but just pretty much combing it like a mushroom around the head, like everything. So you gotta have a whole middle section, and then you gotta hold the middle, and you will start to brush the hair around depending on which side you like to have your part flowing. That's pretty much the side that you're going to pretty much start your wrap, and so you're gonna go until you get to like the middle of your head, and you just keep wrapping it around, but make sure you are combing as you go. Don't just let it keep falling. Comb as you go and just keep going on with this paddle brush. It's good to have a paddle brush and then go in with a hard bristle brush. This particular brush that I have is from I'll put it in the description. I couldn't remember where it's from, Be Beautiful or Be Lovely or something like that, but it's a really good brush. Then I go in with my head tie and tie my hair down. I usually like to do a throwback, old fashioned, wrap it back in the front, but I'm doing a little different this time and I really like it. I'm actually going to layer this head tie with a do-rag. I stole one of my husband's do-rags, and honey, it's been working for me. I just go ahead and put my do-rag on and wrap my hair up, so I don't do my head tie too tight. I need it just to make sure that it has some silky, so my hair don't break and keep the moisture in. And then I go ahead with my head tie and my do-rag, and put it right on there and let it hold it in place and keep everything nice and flat. And then I'm ready for bed, sis. And when you get up in the morning, take your wrap down, comb it down, it will look like this. And I hope you guys enjoy this video. Love you. Bye.